In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a line algebraically if you're given the slope and a point on the line. So the first thing you need to do is read the question carefully. A line having a slope of 3/4 passes through the point -8,4. It says write the equation of this line in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where the m is your slope and the b represents your y-intercept. So right now, we actually know the slope. The slope is 3/4. So we can put that into our equation. Now a line consists of several points, each having an x value and a y value. That's what the x and the y represent. They're variables. They change as you go from point to point. But each x value and each y value for every point makes the equation true. So it's going to make your y value is always going to be equal to 3/4 times your x value plus b. So what we can do is use the given point to help us determine our b. We need to find the b. We know our slope is 3/4. We know we have a point with an x value of -8 and a y value of 4. And what we need to find is b. That's our big question mark. So all you got to do is take your y value and replace the y in your equation with your y value. So that was 4 in this point on this line. The y value is 4. Your slope was given to you. It was 3/4. And your x value in this point is -8. So I'm going to put it in parentheses to show multiplication. And what we need to find is b. And now we're down to one unknown. So we can solve this equation algebraically. So we have a 4, and that's equal to 3/4 times -8. So I'm going to put this in my calculator. I want you guys to get in the habit of putting fractions when you're putting fractions in your calculator, of putting your fractions in parentheses. So I put 3 divided by 4 in parentheses times -8 in parentheses, and I get an answer of -6. So I'm going to replace this 3/4 times -8 with a -6 plus b. So now I need to figure out, well, what number b plus -6 is going to give me a +4. We can use our inverse operations here for solving an equation, just like solving for x. If I were to add 6 to both sides, if I were to add 6 plus 6 and then 4 plus 6, my equation now would look like this. 4 plus 6 equals -6 plus 6 plus b. You don't have to do this step. I'm just doing this to show you this idea that now by adding in a +6 over here, this becomes a 0 pair. -6 plus 6 is 0. So that will be gone from my equation. That will be eliminated from my equation. So I'll have 0 plus b, which is equal to b. And 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So now I know that my b is equal to 10. And all we have to do is take this 10 and put it back into our equation for b. Since we have our slope already, the final equation is going to be y equals 3/4x plus 10. And this will give you full credit as an algebraic solution to this problem.